Shiretoko is a long and narrow peninsula in Hokkaido. When winter arrives on the Sea of Okhotsk side, drift ice containing large amounts of plankton approach the shore. Fish feed on the plankton, and birds and animals eat the fish. So it's easy to see why it's called a food chain. The Shiretoko Peninsula is referred to as a natural treasure trove. Salmon return to the rivers where they were born, and the animals waiting for them include brown bears, Japanese serows, red foxes, and seals. We cannot observe wild brown bears up close, but you can take in the great scenery and watch birds from our walking trails in the company of a nature guide. There is a relatively high probability that you will be able to see brown bears on the coast from a sightseeing boat. You can also enjoy a cruise on an icebreaker in winter.